My name is Gary Armony and I'm bringing you this week's CFX update. This is an update for the week ending the 25th of December 2020. The week's trading returns achieved for the week ending the 25th of December 2020 was 1.012%. For those of you who are keeping a close eye on the percentages, you will have noticed the significant drop in performance for this week. This is not unusual for this time of year and is caused by the larger players in the global Forex market taking time away over Christmas, in addition to much lower market volumes and activity also common for this time of the year. The Forex market will also have additional days of closure on certain days over this holiday period, with some of the main markets also having additional days without operations. This will reflect in CFX's trading activity, which has been apparent for this week and will also be the case for next week as well. Going into the new year, we will undoubtedly see the percentages return to normal. So, for this week, as you can see in the image, if you are a new member and have started on a $300 pack, then you would have received $2.13. If, however, you have managed to progress right the way up to a 100k pack, then you would have received $708.40. Remember, this is a weekly passive return, a return achieved for you by professional traders. You can see all the returns achieved for all the other packs in between by just looking down the list for the pack you are on. Also remember, these returns are trading returns only and what members will receive even if they have done nothing more than purchase a trading pack. So these returns will apply to all members of CFX, both passive and active members. If on the other hand, you are an active member, then you will also be earning all the other bonuses and commissions from your team and matrix. And let's not forget, some passive members may also be earning from the matrix too, if they have been lucky enough to receive spillover. In the description section below, you will find a link to the latest corporate webinars, which will give you an overview of this business. If you have not yet got on board with this remarkable business and need a reminder of what it's all about, then check out my brief overview video. The link to this can also be found in the description section below. Thank you for watching this video, have a great week, and I wish you good health and success in whatever you choose to do.